Hello friends, today I am going to talk about various online resources that are available on the web which can help you to ramp up on ASP.NET, also on various other Microsoft technologies which you can utilize and use to get ahead of the curve. Here are a couple of things. There is a ramp up program which is available on MSDN, as you see as the step 1. So you should follow all these steps in the web development area for ramping up on ASP.NET. It is pretty decent guide. If you follow step by step and go through all the resources, this will really help you to learn various things on ASP.NET. Then if you want to watch videos, there are various videos on the ASP.NET site where you can go through all the videos. I strongly recommend sticking to the basics first. Don't look at all the 3.5 4.0 videos. Instead, look at the .NET fundamental concepts, look at the ASP.NET 2.0 concepts, and then move on to ASP.NET 3.0 concepts. So that will give you the idea of how they differ, what were there initially, and what is the new features in the latest versions. And then there are a couple of quick videos which is called how-to videos, which is really very good, and they are available for accessing databases via the code on the data access part. So once you finish this 2, then you should move to the .NET 3.5 video, which will give you various things, the new 3.5 stuff like link to SQL, how should we go about utilizing link queries in our code, and all those kind of new features on ASP.NET 3.5. Then going down the lane, obviously with the service oriented architecture coming into play in every bit of the projects that we do, WCF is an integral part, or I would say it's one of the most important component of the code nowadays. So to learn WCF, there is a special section on MSDN which you should follow. I have also given the link here for that. So go through it. The more honestly you will go and read through this, the more you will learn. So this is what basically the resources. Now coming to the Microsoft e-learning, which is the official courses, there is some recommended collections like 516061 for the .NET Framework 2.0, and then 6463 and 6464 which is on the 3.5 stuff. So as I said, first go through 5160 and 5161, and then definitely we can look at utilizing the 3.5 stuff. Now there is a very good news for students which plan to work on Microsoft technologies. That Microsoft provides free access to various softwares via Microsoft Dream Spark program. So I would strongly urge you guys to go through http://microsoft.com/dreamspark where you will find all the relevant details for utilizing this collection. Then the next step is most of the learnings that we do, they end up that we really don't have a measurement on how much we learned and where we are staying at a particular given point of time. So to validate our learnings, what we can do is I strongly recommend 2 certification exams on Microsoft. That is the 72536, which is Application Development Foundation certification, and the second one is .NET 3.5 based on ASP.NET Application Development, that is 72562. So these 2 exams are generally will give you a good idea of both the worlds, where you actually learn the .NET fundamentals or .NET foundation, as well as couple of things on the .NET Framework 3.5 as well. Then as part of the webcasts, you can go through various virtual labs, various webcasts which is available on the same ramp up guide, You can find all those links like developer learning center, web development webcast, web development videos on the same page. So and these are except the collections, the official collections that I talked about, everything is free of cost, and you can really utilize well, provided you have a good internet connection at home or at school, at your college or at your office. So with that, I would sum up. So have fun, and goodbye for now.